Friends, let's solve this problem. Okay, I will solve it using two methods. Okay, the first one will be the conventional method. Then the second one will be the finance method, the method I invented to solve from that. Okay, now conventionally, what we will do is we have 3 to the power of x plus 3, 1 is something as 3 to the power of x. Okay, so equals 4. Because if we are dividing two terms that have the same base, we subtract their exponents. And so we have 3 to the power of x plus 3 over 3x is something like that. I mean, it's 3 divided, which is this and this are the same, okay? Now, if you multiply through by 3 to the power of x, multiply, okay? So this will be 3 dot 3 to the power of x. Power of x equals 4 times 3 to the power of x. Okay, so 3 to the power of x takes away 3 to the power of x. We now have 3 to the power of x squared plus 3 equals 4 multiplying to the power of x. Okay, now we can say we select 3 to the power of x equals y, for instance. So we would have y squared plus 3 equals 4y. So if we rearrange, we have y squared minus 4y plus 3 equals 0. You can solve it using the quadratic equation now, either formula of factorization method or using completing the square. But since we can factorize, because 1 times 3 is 3, we look for two factors whose product is plus 3 and some negative 4. So we consider negative factors. 3 by negative 1 is negative 3. Negative 3, negative 1 is negative 4. Okay, so we replace negative 4 with negative 3, negative 1. So we have y squared minus negative 3y minus 3y minus y plus 3 equals 0. So we pair them up, y squared minus 3y minus y minus 3 equals 0. So we would have the HCF is y. We have y and 3. 1 is here, y and 3 equals 0. So y minus 3 is common. So y minus 3 minus 1 equals 0. So each from here we have a y equals 3 or y equals 1. Now we're not looking for y, we're looking for x. So 3 to the power of x equals 3. So they have the same place, we equate their powers. Here x equals 1 or 3 to the power of x equals 1. So we have 3x equals 1 is something as 3 to the power of 0. So we now have x equals 0. Therefore, x equals 1 or 0. Okay, now let's use the finance method. Okay. Usually, method I use in solving it, which is strictly mine, is if you have 3 to the power of x plus 3, 1 minus x equals 4. You could just write this as 3 to the power of x plus 3, 1 minus x equals 1 plus 3. Call this equation 1. 1 plus 3 is something like 3 plus 1, okay? Equals 3 plus 1. This gives us equation 2. Okay, then from equation 1, you can see that 3 to the power of x plus 3, 1 minus x equals 1 is something like 3 to the power of 0. Then 3 is 3 to the power of 1. Then this and this equal, this and this equal. So if they're equal, you equate their exponents. So here, that we have 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 0. So x equals 0. We'll get the same thing, or 3, 1 minus x equals 3 to the power of 1. So we have x minus 1 equals 1. 1 minus x. 1 minus x equals 1. So I got use of x equals 0, okay? Or from equation 2. Okay, I used 2. Okay. 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of 1 minus x equals 1 1 is 3 to the power of 0. This and this are equal, this and this are equal. Where you equate their exponents. So this is 1. X equals 1, or 1 minus x equals 0. Again, x equals 1. Therefore, equation 1 has given us x equals 0. Equation 2 has given us x equals 1. So x equals 1 or 0. The same thing. I think Ifeanyi's method is simpler. Okay, thank you very much.